Danielle, Matthew is Attic.
But we're in the kitchen.
Today we're gonna make sushi bake
In 2 different versions.
So we're going to prepare the main ingredient of the sushi bake, which is the rice. We're going to use Japanese short grain rice. So first, you want to get your rice cooker bowl and add 3 cups of the rice. And for every 1 cup of rice, we're gonna add 3 cups of water. So we have to wash the rice around 2 to 3 times. So we're gonna add 9 cups of water because we added 3 cups of rice. Before we add the rice cooker bowl inside of the rice cooker, we need to wipe it first. That way, it doesn't break the rice cooker. And then wait for the rice to fully cook.
So while we're waiting for the rice to cook, we are going to make the other ingredients of the sushi bake. So first, we will get one crab stick, then remove the plastic from it. Make sure that when you're making sushi bake, you should always remove the plastic from the crab stick. Now we can start chopping. And we're finished with one. That's good.
While Mateo is busy with the crab sticks, I'm going to start peeling the cucumber. So now we have to cut the cucumbers into quarters and remove the seeds afterward.
Since we're done cutting the crab sticks into pieces, we can now shred them with a fork.
Another important ingredient of sushi bake is furikake. Furikake is made out of dried fish, seaweed, salt, sugar, and Uncle Roger's favorite, MSG. Right now, I have this. This is what I use for my sushi bake. But Mateo will show you how to make your own furikake at home.
If you don't have this ready-made furikake, you can make your own by using sesame seeds, salt, white sugar or brown sugar, seaweed, and my favorite, potato chips. Now, since I'm finished telling you what the ingredients for furikake are, I will put these chips in this food processor and blend them all up. This is how our chips look after they were blended in the food processor. Next, we will add our other ingredients to the chips. The white sugar, get 1 tablespoon. Next, 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, put all your sesame seeds inside the bowl. Then last, our nori sheet. There you have it, your own homemade furikake. Now you can use this in your sushi bake or any other dish you want. Now, since we're done cooking our rice, we can continue making our sushi. These are the ingredients we need. We have 2 cups of cooked rice, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, salt, white sugar, and 1/8 cup of furikake. Now I'm going to add all the other ingredients in the bowl. So first, I will start with the rice vinegar. So now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I am using a 1/4 teaspoon, so I will get 2 scoops of salt. I will also add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And same as the sugar, I will also get 2 scoops. Then we mix the rice. Lastly, we add the furikake. Then we mix it.
And for my version, I'm going to use the same ingredients and amounts as Mateo's, except for his homemade furikake because I'm going to use this. Now we're going to take our sushi, put it on the tray, and then we flatten it. This will be the base of our sushi bake. Now that we're done with this, we can now set this aside and then we can start on our toppings. For my toppings, we're going to use 1 cup of crab meat, half a mango diced, half a cucumber diced, and half a cup of Japanese mayonnaise. Now we can put the toppings on our base.
My toppings are tuna flakes, half cucumber dice, half a mango dice, and half a cup of Japanese mayo. First, I will add the tuna. Then, I will add the mayo. Now, add the cucumber. And last, we add the mango. And now, I'm going to add the toppings on my base.
Now that we've added the toppings onto our base, we will just sprinkle some cheese and put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Celsius. There you have it, our very own version of sushi bake. Now all we have to do is dig into it.
It was good. I like it.